I got a KitchenAid mixer. This is the Professional 600 Design Series, and this is a 6-quart. I've been wanting one of these, and I finally got one, so I'm so excited. I'm going to be making brownies, so I'm going to go ahead and unbox it. You guys are going to watch that, and then we'll make the brownies. So let's just get started. Okay, okay guys, so let's just open this. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring this down here. Help me take it out because it's heavy. Right? Isn't it heavy? Oh my god, this is so pretty. Is it heavy? Okay, so this is one of the attachments. So I'm just gonna set it. Look at this, is the second one. And oh, I love that this is glass.
Yeah, that one's glass. The other ones are regular, like metal.
I love this, guys. Okay, so it has this other attachment, and there should be another one attached. Oh no, there's just 3 attachments. So you get 3 attachments, and then you get this bowl right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash this because we're gonna make our brownies, which I'm super excited for. And it also says that it's hand wash only, so don't put it in the dishwasher. So yeah, let's just see. And you know what? The glass is super thick. So I'm washing it. For now. And I'm also gonna wash these because you know it's new, so you always wanna make sure you wash any new. I love this. This is the first time that I own one of these. I think when I lived with my mom, she had one, but I don't remember using it. So, and I think this is for different, like dough and, you know. But today we're gonna make brownies, so I'm excited. I just put this glass bowl on. It was super simple. You just hook it. So let me show you guys. See, you just hook it in there like that. And then I'm gonna put my attachment. Again, I'm new to this, so there you go, guys. Okay, I had to switch to my phone, but I have my 1 cup of granulated sugar right here. 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar. I only have the dark sugar. I added 1 tablespoon of salt, my 3 eggs, my 1 cup of flour, and I already strained it because we don't want it to be lumpy. And then my 3/4 of cocoa powder, melted butter, and then we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of vanilla. So we're first gonna start by adding our wet ingredients, which is gonna be the eggs, the melted butter, and the vanilla. So let's get started. Okay guys, so I'm first gonna add my 3 eggs. Go in there. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Show them in there. And then I'm gonna add my melted butter. Kind of melted, because...
You should have put the attachment last.
No.
No? 'Cause it's in the way.
So it is. Semi-melted because I didn't melt it all the way. So, okay, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. So let's see. I'm nervous.
Yeah, you have to lift it.
Oh shoot! I do have to lift this. So it has this handle. There you go. And now we're gonna stir. Okay, now as it's stirring, I'm gonna add the flour. Here, move it. Wow. There's some there. And the powder. I'm gonna stop this and then I'm gonna bring down whatever's up here, okay, guys? Wow. Okay, so what I did is I cut some parchment paper and I added some oil at the bottom so that it won't stick down there. And then I'm just gonna add a little bit of oil here, just whatever I had left on this, just so that the brownies won't stick. Because it's glass, you know. some more in there. Okay. I don't know how it's gonna turn out. This is my first time. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna spread it evenly. My pan. So I decided to use this small pan.
Is that good enough?
Huh?
Is that little one good enough?
Yeah. Just evening it out. Honestly, this is the first time I make them from scratch, so we'll see. Why am I fast? Like on the corners, right? Right? My hands are washed. Okay. We're gonna bake for 30 minutes. Okay guys, so I forgot to show when I took them out of the oven, but these are the brownies, and you know what? They look really good. I already cut it. I just cut it using a knife. And when I pull the paper, look. Let me show you. I'll try them after dinner because I'm gonna have some sushi right now, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.